Hey guys, welcome on in. It is Wednesday, March 25th, and I'm so excited because we're about halfway through another week, and more importantly, we are about a week until spring break, so that's awesome. But before we get there, we got some work to do today. All right, let's go ahead and click on Language Arts 7C course card. When that opens, you're going to see Language Arts Freak the Mighty Lesson 11, Wednesday Learning. So please click on Wednesday Learning. And you only have 3 tasks today, so that's even better news, right? You're going to read the daily learning targets so you know your essential standards. Task 2 asks you to read chapters 18 and 19 from the book. And then task 3, quiz for chapters 16 through 19. Once you finish that, you're all set for the day. To access the quiz, remember you click on here. And then when you have your student view, it's going to ask you to go ahead and enter the quiz. So you click on the button to enter. Remember to submit at the end. Okay, one quick thing that I need to talk to you about is yesterday you had an assignment that came in. It was analyzing Killer Kane. Now, for some of you, that assignment did not come through, meaning I could not view it. And there was enough issues and enough glitches with Canvas with this particular assignment that I've decided that we're going to change up the final assessment so that I can make sure I get everybody's work. And we've had some really great success with these reading quizzes, getting those results that way. So I'm going to change it up. So rather than having the format you had yesterday, you'll still have a similar format in terms of questioning, but it's not going to be exactly the same, if that makes sense. So you're going to have some reading recall or comprehension questions, but you're also going to have some really deep analysis questions in terms of character. Okay, so those two things are going to happen. There will be some writing questions, so just be prepared for that. That will happen on Friday. Friday, you're going to finish the book, take the final exam, and then we're going to move on next week and start just getting really prepped and ready for some other things. Okay, so that's kind of where we are with that, and I hope you guys are staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope your family's doing well. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, please email me at chris.bagley@ccsdut.org. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for your hard work.